Start off with explaining the fluid mosaic model. This is the phospholipid bilayer. This bilayer has two layers of phospholipids that are arranged according to their properties. Phospholipids are lipids where one of the fatty acids has been replaced by a phosphate group. The phospholipid bilayer provides a barrier in the membrane which provides protection and interface between the inside and the outside of the cell.
Next is the phospholipid heads, like this one. These are the heads of the phospholipids and are hydrophobic. On the other hand, the phospholipid tails, which are these parts, those are hydrophobic, which means they're scared of the water. So since they stay away from water, they are on the inside, so they don't have to come in contact with liquids.
The integral proteins are proteins that are embedded in the plasma membrane. Since they are amphipathic, they have both hydrophilic and hydrophobic qualities. Certain types of integral proteins, transmembrane proteins, span the entire biological membrane.
Peripheral proteins are polar hydrophilic proteins that attach to the outside of the cell membrane and are vital in maintaining the structure of the cell membrane.
The glycoprotein is a phospholipid and carbohydrate attached together. They are important in maintaining the structure of the cell membrane and differentiating between cell and non-cell cells.
Enzymes are proteins that help speed up chemical reactions in our bodies.
Transport is the movement of substances across the cell membrane. Passive transport happens without the input of cellular energy. Active transport requires the cell to expand energy.
Cell recognition is a cell's ability to distinguish one type of neighboring cell from another. Carbohydrates form specialized sites on the cell surface which allow cells to recognize each other and the immune system to differentiate between self and non-self cells.
Anchorage cells are cells that grow, survive, or maintain function only when attached to an inert surface. They are located on the surface of the cell membrane and are attached to lipids inside the cell membrane.
Signal transduction is the process by which a cell responds to substances outside the cell through signaling molecules found on the surface of and inside the cell.